Welcome to my wheel future.
The 2023 Range Rover Sport is a popularized Range Rover Evoque. There's a mix of engines to choose from, some are carryovers from the previous model and others are all new for the Range Rover Sport. The base P530 SE trim retains the outgoing Sport's turbocharged inline-6 with 48-volt mild hybrid system. It produces a healthy 355 horsepower and 369 pounds-foot of torque. The next-level P400 SE dynamic trim uses a high-output version of this powertrain and develops 395 horsepower and 406 pounds-foot of torque. This Turbo 6 forms the basis of the P440 e-autobiography trim, but the electrical hardware is upgraded to be a full plug-in hybrid, or PHEV. The Range Rover PHEV bumps output to 434 horsepower, but torque gets a massive upgrade to 619 pounds-foot, thanks in part to a 105 kilowatt motor fed by a 31.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack. While the PHEV has not yet been formally tested by the EPA as of our review's publication time, Land Rover estimates an all-electric range of 48 miles before the gas engine kicks in. Finally, the range-topping P530 First Edition swaps out all of the fuel-saving hybrid stuff for a full-bore, pedal-to-the-metal twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8. It produces 523 horsepower and 533 pounds-foot of torque, only 5 more HP than the previous model's 5.0-liter V8, but torque from the new motor is up about 70 pounds-foot. Land Rover also says that an all-electric Range Rover Sport is due sometime in 2024.